Hello, today we will guide you through how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your inventory counts accurate ensures reports, sales, and purchasing decisions reflect reality. If a shelf count shows more or fewer units than QuickBooks displays, you can correct it in just a few clicks. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign into your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your cursor to the left-hand navigation and hover over Sales. This reveals the related options. From there, choose Products and Services to open the full list of the items you track. On this page, look for the small drop-down arrow that opens additional actions. Depending on your layout, it appears near the top of the list alongside other item tools. Click that drop-down and select Adjust Quantity. This opens the Inventory Quantity Adjustment window where you'll make the correction. In the adjustment screen, locate the product you need to fix, review the quantity currently on hand that QuickBooks shows, then type the correct quantity you physically counted in the new quantity field. QuickBooks will calculate the difference for you behind the scenes, whether that means increasing or decreasing stock. Work carefully here, confirm the item name, unit of measure, and that you're editing the right row. If the page includes fields for the adjustment date or an account, choose the date that matches when the count changed and use the inventory adjustment or shrinkage account your company typically uses. You can also add a brief note in the memo area, such as the reason for the change or the location you counted, to help future you understand what happened. After entering the correct numbers, give everything one last review for accuracy. A quick double check now prevents reporting surprises later. When you're confident it's correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the adjustment and takes you back to Products and Services, where the on-hand quantity for that item reflects your update immediately. That's it. The count is now aligned with your real-world inventory. This simple workflow helps keep your sales, purchasing, and profitability reports accurate. If you manage a large catalog, consider adjusting items in small batches and reconciling frequently so differences stay small and easy to track. And remember, only users with the right permissions can make inventory adjustments. If you don't see the option, reach out to your administrator. Thanks for following along. You've successfully adjusted inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online.